So last week you saw my video of how I transformed our old kitchen into a brighter, cleaner looking kitchen without spending too much. If you haven't seen that video, I included the link in the description box below. This week I wanted to show you how I made an accent wall for my small room in this 2-bedroom apartment I rented with a friend. When we first moved in, the rooms were not cleaned that well, so we had to scrub the floors and the walls to prepare it for painting. Because we were two broke girls, we decided to paint our own rooms. I decided to have an accent wall that resembled the color millennial pink that was trendy at the time. While I did have experience painting walls, it was the first time for me to do it alone, and it was back-breaking work. But it was also quite satisfying to see the end result. After painting, I started dressing up this small space.
Hey guys, so this is my room now. I painted the wall behind me pink, and I spent the whole night putting up command hooks for a couple of frames that I'm gonna put up.
In case you don't know what a command hook is, it's a brand of adhesive hooks you can use if you don't want to drill a hole in your wall. So it's perfect for those who rent, and when you decide to move out, it's very easy to remove without leaving behind any residue. You can buy them from hardware stores, bookstores, and online shopping apps. There are other brands out there, but the most reliable I think is this brand.
Today I'm just gonna show you how I managed to pick the layout of the frames, I guess. I did a couple of test shots on my bed, laying out the frames on my bed.
Initially, I cut out pieces of paper to do a mock-up on the frame layout on the wall. But I realized it's actually easier to just put the frames on my bed and figure out the best look. In case you're wondering, I bought the frames from H&R for I think maybe a few hundred pesos per pack of 3s.
I'll just put up the frames and let's see how it looks.
And here's the final look. Some of you might think it looks like the room of a young girl, but I don't mind. The pink wall and the lights, which I bought last Christmas from the Pitan Arcade, just makes me feel happy whenever I get home. And it's definitely a big improvement to how it looked like before.